Miss Julones from the Idaho State Insurance Fund. Is it not true that on August 11th of 2008, you committed fraud? Fraud by receiving my medical record without my authorization. Right here. You sent this letter to Holy Rosary Hospital prior to August 15th of 2008. It says, enclosed is a signed medical release for the above-named claimant. Please send the following: all medical records prior to 4/17 of 08. Being pretty specific there, aren't you there, Miss Julones from the Idaho State Insurance Fund? But isn't it true, Miss Julones, that between August 15th and October 10th to 11th of 2008, you were lying to the Industrial Commission that by law you cannot get these records until I sign some medical release forms? But isn't it a fact, Miss Julones from the Idaho State Insurance Fund? You didn't wait for me. Matter of fact, you sent for these records. You received these records, which clearly between August 15th and October, I was fighting with the Industrial Commission that I didn't see the relevance of these records. But isn't it a fact that you'd already received these records and sent them? Didn't even protect them. Didn't protect no names, no addresses, no phone numbers, no nothing that's inside these records. You just sent them on to a Dr. Holt without my permission to even have those records. Then you lied to the Industrial Commission, wanting them to sanction me $300, which I did get sanctioned by the way it looks like in their findings of facts and conclusions of law. But clearly, isn't it a fact that that's what I was fighting between August 15th of 2008 and October of 2008? Isn't that what we were arguing before the commission? About me signing these medical release forms? The same ones that you'd already had in your possession. All right, Mr. Julones, and the Idaho State Insurance Fund, and the law firm of Anderson, Julian Hall, which knew that this fraud had been committed. Yes, and I'm supposed to try to fight this before the Idaho Supreme Court. I'm supposed to get all these kind of documents in the record. Well, I don't even know what's before the record anymore. But Ms. Julones, you committed fraud. Not just once, not twice, but 3 times. The next letter, you'll see it too. Coming up next, fighting the corruption in Idaho state government.